Welcome to my channel. For those of you following my channel here, I am going to show one of the tools that I bought back in the day. This is a angle grinder by Porter Cable, and it's a 4.5, and it's a 7406 model. 7406, and we're going to show this guy in action. If you've been following me, I've been trying to build something. I have a little project, and I show you what I'm trying to do here. I got this VersaBar and back, and if you notice that I made a few of the cuts where the bandsaw that did not work because something was wrong with the blades, and then I made these cuts with a hacksaw. So now this grinder, I want to show what I could also use it for. If I get a very close view here, it looks like I could cut. If I could just cut a little bit over here, I'll be able to get this to come down and sit a little better. I'm going to weld this, and I got to weld this, and then this gets supported on the side, and then here's where I can put the spool. They already made a trench with the tooth. I have to still make my pipe, bend it, and I'll be able to bury the cable. I got like 800 feet to go to do that job, so I'm almost there. I just need to cut that a little, fit a little better so I can weld it, those two pieces on both sides, and I'll be ready to do that project. So let me set you up, and let me do that little cut very quickly and show this tool in action. Okay, get you a close look at it. If you notice, I got a little more gap over here than down here. If I could straighten this out, this VersaBar be able to drop, I can get a better contact so I can weld it. Let me put you over here. I don't know how good you're going to see it. Hopefully you're in the picture. So I can just take the little bit off of there. There you go. I'll be able to just a little better. I'll be able to tuck that in. Just wanted to show how versatile these grinders really are. I see them being used for just about everything. I just use it for grinding, like I did over here, getting it ready for welding. So I'll grind. But if you notice, you put one of these blades on there, you can cut, and it does a pretty good job. With that, glad I was able to show this guy still in action and working. And thanks for watching.